Firstly, remove the bottom drawer from your freezer. The connectors pointed out in each corner need to be separated for the drawer front to come off. To remove the drawer front from your drawer, place your hand in the corner to make this easier. Push down on the white section of the drawer whilst pulling the clear plastic drawer front away. Then repeat the process on the other side. Now to add the existing drawer front basket handle to your new bottom drawer. Line up the notches at the bottom and gently push down. You'll hear a click when everything is connected properly. Pop your new bottom drawer in the freezer and then you're all set to go.